Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach. Welcome to Pinaki Yoga. In today's video, we're going to learn bow pose, how to do it properly and what should be your preparation for bow pose. Bow pose is again good for your back, for your core and for your abdominal regions. It again massages your abdominal region and your reproductive organs also, and all those issues related to your reproductive organ. So it is highly recommended in the problems like PCOD and PCOS. It improves your digestion, it improves your digestive fire. So it is also good for your digestion and for all problems related to abdominal. So for bow pose, you need flexibility in your shoulders. You can click up here or down in the description box. Follow the shoulder stretches routine that will again help you in your bow pose. So the mistake that we do at beginner level in bow pose is, instead of focusing on lifting our leg from the ground, we are more focused on lifting our chest. Another thing that we need in bow pose is, we need flexibility in our lower spine. So we need to perform some asanas before going for the actual bow pose that will help us to improve the flexibility in our back, in our lower back. Next thing, there is less strength in our legs, because of which we are not able to lift our legs in our bow pose. So we're going to perform few postures that will help us in our back and that will help us in lifting our legs in our bow pose. So first of all, come to snake pose. Come to the lying position like this. Complete body straight and toes pointed, feet together. Interlock your fingers. Elbow completely straight. Slowly inhale and lift your chest up. Keep your feet on the ground. Apply force from your core part and from your lower back to lift your chest up. Look in front, chest completely open. And shoulders, your arms completely tight. Stay here for few seconds. Slowly relax and down. So perform this posture 10 seconds, 3 rounds. Next we're going to do is upward dog. Come to this position. Keep your hands close to your body, elbow close to your body and your palms near to your chest, feet together. Now slowly inhale, lift your complete body up and try to come on your unfold toes. Okay? Chest up, chest completely open and look up. Slowly take your body down and relax. Hold for a few seconds. Perform 10 seconds and 3 sets. Next we're going to do is locust pose. So locust pose will help us to lift our legs from the ground in our bow pose. So come to the straight position like this. Okay. Join your feet. Keep your hands completely straight. Fingers pointing towards your leg. Slowly inhale, lift your lower body and upper body. Balance on your core. So locust pose is again good for your lower back and for your legs. And it opens up your chest completely. Slowly release and come down. So for bow pose, it's good if you are doing it for one leg, and once you are comfortable with one leg, you can perform it with both of the legs. So take this belt, tuck it into your feet, hold the other end of the belt, keep your left leg on the ground, do not lift your left leg, and start pulling your belt with the leg towards you. Lift your quads up and hold the belt here. Now next progression is Take your elbows up over your head and hold your belt and your leg here. So you need to keep lifted your quads from the ground as far as you can. Slowly release. Now repeat the same practice with the other leg. Keep your right leg on the ground. Lift your quads up and hold your leg and your belt here. Pull your belt towards your body. Now take your elbows over your head and again pull your belt so that you can take your leg close to your body. Now slowly release. So once you are comfortable with this position with the help of the belt, it will improve the flexibility of your shoulders, your spine, your core strength and your legs. So once you are able to lift your quads from the ground, you can easily hold the bow position. So come to the lying position. Legs apart. Hold your legs from inside. While inhaling, focus on lifting your quads up and then lift your chest. Lift your chest more while keeping your quads lifted. Hold it here. Balance on your core again. Slowly release and relax. Thank you for watching, friends. That's it for today's guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga for further updates. I'll meet you soon next week, next video. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy.